I can't figure out.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well because I am not. So yeah, basically today is 19th April, and as you all know, if you follow me on my Instagram, I posted a story. I have been detected positive for COVID-19. So me, my father, my mom, my grandmother, all four of us are COVID positive, but my sister, who's 4 years younger than me, is negative. So हम सब घर पे ही हैं, सब एक दूसरे का ख्याल रख रहे हैं. तो you might be thinking कि why am I making this vlog और मैं अभी vlog क्यों कर रही हूँ. That's because I was feeling well today, and I'm feeling much better than the previous 3 days. Today is 19th. I got tested on 15th night, and then 16th सुबह हम सबकी reports आई, and me and my dad and my mom were positive, and then next day my grandmom also came positive, and I'm feeling fine. I don't have fever as such, but बहुत ज़्यादा headache है. 3-4 दिन से my head is like heavy, like it's so heavy. हल्की खांसी है. टेस्ट स्मेल बिल्कुल नहीं है, नील. अभी मैं, as you can see, my hair is looking really bad. मुझे हेयर वॉश 3 दिन पहले करना था, because I got COVID positive. मैं नहीं कर पाई because मेरे बहुत ज़्यादा बुखार था. आपको दिखाऊंगी कि हमारा दिन बेसिकली कैसा दिखता है. यूजुअली हम कुछ ज़्यादा करते नहीं हैं, हम लोग बस एक ध्यान रखते हैं, खाते हैं, और we take steams, we do gargle. मतलब बेसिकली स्टीम लेते हैं बहुत ज़्यादा, और एक दूसरे का टेम्परेचर, बीपी, ऑक्सीजन लेवल, ये सब 3-4 बार चेक होता है. So I'm all ready to put my hair mask on, and the hair mask that I'm going to be using today, or the hair mask that I've been using since past 1.5 months, I think, is this one from Mamaearth. It's their tea tree hair mask, and I'll just show you how much I've used it. It's literally gone because इतना ज़्यादा यूज़ किया मैंने इसको past 1.5 months में. It's literally such a good hair mask, and especially for my hair. My hair gets really oily at the scalp, and it gets really itchy, and I do have a little flaky scalp as well. So उसके लिए this is such a good hair mask. As you can see, like, I literally finished it, and my sister also used it, I think, and she also really liked it. I also have the backup option. मेरे पास पूरा एक already रखा हुआ है, because it literally removes all of the flakes from my scalp and just leaves my scalp really clean. So I love using this one. So जितना इसमें बाकी है पहले उतना यूज़ करेंगे. So as you can see, I've taken it in my hands. It has a really smooth consistency, so you won't have any problem applying it. Just like all of the products from Mamaearth, this hair mask is also made from natural ingredients. So I'm just applying it on my scalp and just massaging it a little. And as you can see, I've used it completely gone within like 1 month. It's crazy how much I've used this hair mask and how much I love it. All brand new. I cannot smell a single thing, like kuch bhi. And this mask has a pretty strong smell. Like, it has a very Ayurvedic sort of strong smell. And I remember, like, whenever I apply this hair mask and I wash my hair, obviously I wash my hair, I can still smell the hair mask after I've washed my hair. Like, I only use the shampoo once because I don't like shampooing my hair twice, because it just dries out my hair and I don't want that. So मैं एक ही बार shampoo करती हूँ, and after shampoo and conditioner I can still smell this hair mask on my hair. I'm just massaging my scalp. I'm gonna keep this for like 15 to 20 minutes, and then I'm gonna rinse this mask off with a nice sulfate-free shampoo. And
Okay. Thank you. Normal, 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 normal.
150 तक जाएगा मेरे को लगता है।
कितना गया? 156?
159।
159. That means normal आएगा.
हाँ, सबका अपना नॉर्मल है। 119.74।
Oh, ideal यार.
119.78 था पिछले बार।
Okay, ठीक है.
हो गया।
कितना कह रहा?
छोटू।
दिख नहीं रहा है, चश्मा लगाना पड़ेगा. Okay. क्या हो गया?
अभी आप क्या कर रहे हो?
टेम्परेचर 98, बीपी 90, 119, 74, ऑक्सीजन 98. पल्स बड़ी कम है यार, 58 है.
मैंने आपको पूछी है, मैंने आपको बोली डॉक्टर से पूछो पल्स।
तो मेरा देखना 64 से लेके 61, 60.
आपकी 60 और ये 50 में ही रहती
हाँ,
है।
56.
आपने मेरा मास्क लगा दिया। आपने मेरा मास्क लगा दिया। बाहर कितना अच्छा हो रहा है। हमने तो जूस पी लिया, तो ये मम्मा के लिए और आपके लिए।
मम्मा और मेरे लिए. मम्मा का विदाउट salt, with salt. But now she can have थोड़ा salt भी, because उसका तो बीपी कम आ रहा है ना.
नॉर्मल आ रहा है अभी उनका भी।
उसमें थोड़ा शुगर डाल देना.
बाहर मौसम देखते हैं कैसा है। हवा चल रही है। ये बेस्ट पार्ट है घर का। Also, as you guys can see, I'm getting like a lot of pimples, and that's because I'm not well. This happens to me so much that whenever I get ill, जब भी मेरा तबीयत ख़राब होती है, जब भी मैं सही नहीं फील कर रही हो, जब भी मेरी तबीयत ख़राब होती है और whenever I'm ill, मेरे को बहुत सारे pimples हो जाते हैं, and that's like the worst thing that could happen, because you know that my skin, whenever I get pimples, it leaves scars. Like no matter what I do, whether I touch it, whether I don't touch it, I always get scars when I get pimples, and that is so irritating. That's so frustrating, because scars easily बिल्कुल नहीं जाते हैं, especially on my skin tone. The scars show really well, and I'm like breaking out a lot. Like my skin cleared up real good within like these months, but now it's happening again, and I can't do anything. Oh God. Ordered like these two things. Wait, I'll show you. So I've ordered these TikTok colorful lights, that these are like LED strips, color changing, like which comes with the remote, एंड ये मैं लगाऊंगी अपने रूम में एंड आई डू लाइक अ होल रूम ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन सॉर्ट ऑफ अ वीडियो. सो आई एम एक्साइटेड अबाउट दैट एंड आई ऑर्डर्ड वन मोर थिंग which is like really cool, and I'll not tell you what it is, but it's really cool and I ordered it on Amazon. So I'll make, like, soon I'll be making a video, most probably like after quarantine, because I want to do it with my sister. So we'll do that. Hey guys, so it is currently 9 o'clock and I'm just making sure that I'm taking full rest, and me and my family just spend so much time together. We all talk about so many things, we laugh, we listen to music, we play board games as you all saw, and yeah, it's just how we pass our time and we try to stay positive. And it's very important to stay positive during these times because it gets really hard, you know. And yes, everybody is feeling well. I do have a slight bit of headache, but वो मेरे 3-4 दिन से ही है, so I hope that that goes by too. And yeah, no smell, no taste. तो इतना weird लग रहा है ये vlog बनाने में because I don't have that much of energy to put into this vlog, because मैं बाकी सारे जितने भी you've seen my vlogs, I am too energized doing so many things, but it just, yeah, it just feels very weird to vlog like this. But व्लॉग एंड कर रही हूँ, आ जाओ. बाय बोल दो अभी.
बाय बाय. बैठ के
कैसा लग रहा है? कैसा लग रहा है आपको?
गुड, आई एम फीलिंग गुड.
वैसे आप लोग को कुछ नहीं करना है,
नहीं करना है, कर सकते हो, हल्का
फुल्का कर सकते हैं.
बाय.
मैं तो हल्का फुल्का भी नहीं कर सकती, मैं तो सर बाहर आ जाएगा.
मत करना, ये तो सर को बांध के कर ले, सर को बांध ले.
हाँ, सर को बांध के कर लेंगे, हेड बैंड लगा के.
बाय.
आ रही हूँ मैं, वही आ रही हूँ.
10 दिन और है. हंसी आ रही है मुझे. मेरा ब्लॉग में तीसरा ईयर भी कॉलेज का निकल जाएगा ऐसे ही. मुझे वो दिक्कत हो रही है मेरे दिमाग में. क्या करूँ? कुछ नहीं कर सकते आप. ठीक है, बाय.
My old lovers fall into my covers where they sink one by one.